Now today let's start with chapter number first, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. So in this chapter we will study about AI. So what is AI? First of all, before look at what artificial intelligence is, perhaps a better starting point. First of all, we will see what is intelligence. So intelligence क्या होता है? So it's an ability to learn, understand or deal with new or trying situation. It is ability to apply knowledge, to manipulate one's environment or to think abstractly as measured by objective criteria. However, you can say that intelligence involves certain mental activities. यहाँ पे कुछ certain mental activities involve होती है like learning, reasoning, understanding and determining the validity. It's having the ability or to obtain a new information. You can also manipulate information in various ways. Considering the result of information manipulation, determine whether the data is adequately supported by probable sources. Now we have types of intelligence. So in order to capture the full range of abilities and talents that the people possess. So Gardner theories that people do not have just intellectual capacity but they have many kinds of intelligence. जिसमें आपके म्यूजिकल, इंटरपर्सनल, स्पैटल, विजुअल और लिंग्विस्टिक इंटेलिजेंस सब इन्वॉल्व है, राइट? सो व्हाइल अ पर्सन माइट अ पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रांग इन अ स्पेसिफिक एरिया, उसको हम म्यूजिकल इंटेलिजेंस कहते हैं, राइट? व्हाट वी कॉल इट म्यूजिकल इंटेलिजेंस. नाउ विजुअल स्पैटियल इंटेलिजेंस. So what it is? The people who are strong in visual spatial intelligence are good at visualizing things. These individuals are often good with direction as well as map, charts, videos and pictures. So musical intelligence, people who have strong musical intelligence, जिनका intelligence जो है musical intelligence वो strong है. They are good at thinking in patterns, rhythms and song. They have strong appreciations of music also. Then we have interpersonal intelligence. जिनकी जो interpersonal skills है, intelligence है वो strong होती है. So their understanding and interacting with other is good. These individuals are skilled at accessing emotions, motivation, desires and intentions. Then we have interpersonal intelligence. What is interpersonal intelligence? Individuals who are strong in interpersonal intelligence, they are good at being aware of their own emotional states, feeling and motivation. What they enjoy? They enjoy self-reflection. वो self-reflection को enjoy करते. Then we have logical mathematical intelligence. For people who have strong in logical mathematical intelligence, they are good at reasoning, recognizing patterns and logical analyzing problem. They think, वो कैसे think करते हैं? Conceptually. Now bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Those who have highly bodily kinesthetic intelligence, they are said to be a good for body movement, right? Now naturalistic, according to Gardner, individuals who are high in this type of intelligence, they are more in tune with nature and they are often interested in nurturing, exploring the environment, right? Linguistic, people who are strong in linguistic verbal intelligence, they are able to use words both when writing and speaking. वो वर्ड्स को यूज करेंगे चाहे वो बोल रहे हो चाहे वो लिख लो बहुत अच्छे से, राइट? डू यू नो इंट्रोड्यूसिंग पीका 1.0 इज द आइडिया टू वीडियो प्लेटफॉर्म दैट ब्रिंग्स क्रिएटिविटी, जिसने लोगों की लाइफ में क्या लेके आए? क्रिएटिविटी लेके आए. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. अब क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्या होती है. हमने इंटेलिजेंस पढ़ ली. सो व्हाट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस? एआई क्या होता है? सो कंप्यूटर कैन स्टोर डाटा बट दे डू नॉट हैव देयर ओन इंटेलिजेंस. कंप्यूटर डाटा को स्टोर करता है लेकिन उसकी अपनी इंटेलिजेंस नहीं होती. इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन ह्यूमन इंस्ट्रक्शन. सो computer cannot decide and handle a situation on their own. Brain is far superior to computer. So now computer, they are trained to learn and exhibit intelligence, which is called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the study of system जो act करता है in the way that to any observer would appear. It involves using methods based on intelligent behavior of human and other animals, so through which what you can do, you can solve complex problems. More than nearly any other science, AI is interdisciplinary. It draws upon interesting discoveries such as diverse field of logic, operation research, static control engineering. So, its the ability of digital computer, जिससे एक जैसे रोबोट हो गया, उसको आप कंट्रोल करते हो, अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करते हो. that are normally associated with higher intellectual processing capabilities of human. Now, artificial intelligence. कौन लेके आया था? जॉन मैकार्टी, right? So, John McCarthy in 1927 to 2011, American computer scientist थे. He coined AI, right? When a computer acts like human, it is the best reflect Turing test in which computers succeed when differentiation between computer and human is not possible. So Turing test, originally called imitation game by Alan Turing in 1950, it is a test of machine ability through which we can exhibit intelligent behavior, which is equivalent to industrial form, right? It proposed that human evaluator would judge natural language conversation between human and machine. They are designed to generate human like response. ये आपको कैसा response देंगे जैसे human देते हैं. The conversation would be limited to a text-only channel such as computer keyboard, and screen to the result would not be dependent on the machine ability, so that you can render words as speak. If the evaluator cannot be reliable, tell the machine from human machine. It have to pass. The test results do not depend upon machine's ability. जिससे आप क्या दे सकते हो? Correct answers to the question. Only how closely its answer resembles those human being would give. Now, this is activity, you can do it. Now, task where human outperform computer. I will tell you the different tasks. So, although computer has some better qualities than human, but human takes decision, they think creatively to solve problem. When the computer hits roadblock in its solution to a problem, human can lead computer to reach the solution. Then tasks that require emotional intelligence, fine understanding of human emotions like news, reporting or writing self-help books, human excel, then a AI system. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.